I am adding 200 milliliters of water to a pot. In the same pot, I am adding 300 milliliters of sour cherry juice, half a cup of granulated sugar, a full tablespoon of wheat starch, and a full tablespoon of flour. Now I am mixing it nicely. I am continually stirring it while it's on heat, so that it doesn't stick to the bottom or clump up. After it reaches a thicker consistency, I am turning off the heat. While it's still hot, I am slowly adding a cup of single cream to it while stirring it. I am now transferring them to the cups I would serve them in. I will leave these aside to let them cool down. In the meantime, I will cook the white sauce to go over it. In a pot, I am adding half a liter of water. I am also adding half a cup of granulated sugar, a full tablespoon of flour, a full tablespoon of wheat starch, and a teaspoon of vanilla powder. I will now mix it nicely before putting it on the hob. When the heat is on, I am constantly stirring it until it thickens. When it does, I will let it cool down a little and then transfer it to the cups. Afterwards, I will decorate it. How you would like to decorate this dessert is entirely up to your imagination. With these ingredients, I ended up having 3 servings. Enjoy!